Hala! Nasira ba computer mo? Hindi mo alam ang gagawin? Walang time ipaayos? Oh, sad. Don't you worry! Ang paborito nating lahat na online store, Cheapid Computer na ang bahala sa'yo. Cheapid number 1. Free pickup? Check! Kami na mismo ang kukuha ng sirang PC mula sa iyong bahay o opisina. Huwag mag-alala, we will record all the details of your computer parts prior to pickup para panatag ka. Well-trusted and experienced ang mga Cheapid technicians. Cheapid number 2. Free delivery? Check! In good working condition na ang computer mo at kami na rin ang maghahatid pabalik ng bahay o opisina mo. Cheapid number 3. Free cleaning? Check! Expect your PC to have that clean look upon delivery. Cheapid number 4. Free online support? Check na check! Cheapid times 4 at talagang panalo sa freebies. We offer our pickup and delivery PC repair service within Metro Manila and nearby outside Manila. Cheapid Computer, sigurado dito. #Cheapid ako. Tara, usap tayo!